Do you think it is easy to be an account manager since you already have an existing customer base? The answer is no. Hi, welcome to Sales Breakthrough with Angela Oh. If you're new to this channel and are keen to find out how to increase your sales, then do subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button below, as I'll be sharing with you practical sales tips every week. A lot of salespeople tend to think that it is easier to be a farmer than a hunter. Yet, the reverse is true. It is like what they say in business, it is easier to start a business than to maintain it. Good account managers not only need to take care of their customers, they also have to find ways to develop the account. In other words, grow the account. I used to be an account manager where I have served numerous small businesses, and my greatest satisfaction is to be able to grow together with these customers. As they grow, they begin to buy more from me. I would always encourage account managers to look upon themselves as business owners and their customers as their own. So, what makes a good account manager? Number one, build a good relationship with your customers. Know them well. Don't get too comfortable with your one and only contact, but know as many stakeholders as possible. This will help you in the events that your contact leaves the company and you will not have to rebuild another relationship. By knowing all the stakeholders, it will also provide you with visibility. Your customers must know your existence. Imagine how your customer from another department buys from your competitor because they do not know you provide the service they are looking for. Besides, when you know the various people in your customer's organization, it will also allow you to build up your value proposition. This is especially useful when the cost of your product or service is huge and you need to justify the value you are bringing to the table. Not only must you know them, they must also feel comfortable with you. A good measurement of your level of relationship with them is how accessible they are to you. Do they respond to your calls or messages? How difficult it is to get a meeting with them? These questions will provide you with a clearer picture of the status of your relationship with your customers, and you can then find ways to bridge the gaps, if any. I love to share my proven sales tips and techniques. So if you have anything regarding sales that you'd like to learn, let me know by typing in the comments below. Do subscribe to my channel if you have not done so, as I'll be sharing with you practical sales tips every week. Remember to turn on your notification bell so that you can always get the latest update.